Hello and welcome to Top and Best in Everything. No matter how the marketing landscape changes, email advertising always stays at the top of the pack for nurturing leads. There are few other solutions on the market today that give you the same all-access pass to your customers. Email allows companies to strengthen bonds with their clients one message at a time. It's hard to overlook a solution like that. Of course, one of the biggest issues with accessing email marketing is how difficult it can be to choose the right provider. There are dozens of email marketing services out there. You can find solutions specifically made for developers, as well as simple marketing automation systems that come packed with templates and pre-made workflow options. Today, we're going to be exploring one of the more simplistic email marketing services, intended for those who want to quickly expand their lead nurturing strategy. Before we start our video, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do it. It motivates us and helps to bring more amazing content every day. Let's go into my desktop and see which are best email marketing service provider. Our first pick is Getresponse. Getresponse has been around for quite some time now. It started in 1997 and it is still provide one of best email marketing service till date. Getresponse is an email marketing app that allows you to create a mailing list and capture data onto it, send emails to the subscribers on your mailing list, automate your emails to subscribers via use of autoresponders, view and analyze statistics related to your email campaigns, open rate, click-through, forwards, etc. In recent years, however, Getresponse has shifted its emphasis considerably. The product now aims to be more of an all-in-one e-commerce and online marketing solution, rather than a conventional email marketing tool. Its email marketing service remains one of the finest in the industry. Getresponse helps to build beautiful emails for your subscribers. You can choose pre-designed email templates. Instead of creating a design from scratch, just select which template you'd like to use for your email campaign. You can preview the template first and see if it matches the appearance and feel you're looking for in your email. To help you make searching for the right template much easier, show only templates from the category that fits your needs best. Getresponse's list management feature helps you achieve this by first segmenting and adding conditions to your subscribers. For example, you can segment groups of people who signed up using a different form, with a specific message on your site. More on this later. Once you have created a segment for them, you can create a personalized campaign for this segment that they can receive from you. This way, you make your interactions with each of your segments more dynamic and personal to help increase engagement, if not conversions. Sign up forms, transaction email, landing pages, webinars, conversion funnel, website builder, and many more. Getresponse is truly all-in-one tool in email marketing, and you can start with all this tool for 30 days free trial. Is it very amazing offer for such useful tool? So what are you waiting for? Start your Getresponse journey today. Link will be in the description. Our second pick is Stripo. Stripo, also known as Stripo Email, it is a software email editor used by over 500,000 users all over the world. What makes Stripo so desirable is that it provides ready-to-use email templates with different designs that you can easily customize or use as is. These email templates are also reusable. Stripo clients are from different industries and geography, which includes Gmail, MailChimp, Outlook, HubSpot, Braze, Getresponse, etc. Stripo is a place where you find inspiration for your next email campaign, as they offer hundreds of email templates carefully crafted by our professionals and guest designers. They show multiple ways to diversify promo newsletters, from design ideas to gamification and quiz elements embedded in emails. Stripo allows marketers and designers to build emails way faster. They provide all necessary tools for creating emails of any complexity, including interactive, real-time, and AMP content. Once your email is ready, you may test how it will render in major email clients, share, comment, and approve with colleagues and clients prior to sending emails to your email automation systems. Stripo is integrated with over 60 email clients and ESPs, CRMs. You push emails to your marketing automation system with just one click. As long as Stripo gives you emails with pure HTML code, you can send your emails from your ESP to your beloved customers right away with no further actions required. Stripo contains over 500 already designed templates that are available for immediate use. It also includes a drag-and-drop builder that you can use to customize the email template or build one from scratch. Stripo offers a huge library of various modules that make it easy to find the best option available. With the personal library of custom modules, you can minimize the repetition of operations by saving different customized modules to your Stripo personalized library. You can reuse these customized modules for future email campaigns with Stripo free plan. You can enjoy some basic features for free for as long as you want. Stripo has free plans, so you don't have to worry about money if you are in tight budget. The features included in Stripo free plan includes a single project and one user, 2 templates for each project, 4 exposures to ESP for each project per month, 5 daily test emails, full access to modules library. Stripo made everything easy in email marketing. Now users don't have to be coding expert to fully use email marketing. I think, with Stripo even child can start their email marketing journey. Link will be in the description. Our third pick is Moosend. Moosend is first and foremost an email marketing automation platform. There are some additional features to explore, and we'll come back to you lately. Moosend automates repetitive tasks in your marketing campaigns, so you can focus on things like building new products or strengthening relationships with clients. Moosend benefits from an extremely user-friendly interface, which is great for beginners who haven't used a service like this before. It's also worth noting that, like various email marketing providers, Moosend makes it easy to launch your first email campaigns with access to a free plan. This is ideal if you want to try out the features before you commit. Moosend's simple email marketing solution means that you can build entire email marketing campaigns in moments. It's quick and simple to find a template and edit it according to your needs. There are also various integrations with your existing tools. You should know that this email marketing solution is all about helping you to stand out online. You can access amazing features whether you're a beginner or a pro. There's a drag-and-drop email editor, data analytics, and plenty of segmentation options too. Unlike other basic email marketing solutions, Moosend even allows you to design entire sales funnels with triggers to determine what should happen when certain actions take place in your campaign. Just some of the features you can expect include are that it has intuitive email marketing interface. It provides custom sign-up forms and landing pages, advanced personalization for segments. It also provides weather-based recommendations, product recommendations, great export reports, and provide SMP service. Most important element of any email marketing tool is its ability to automate your campaign. You don't have the time to send emails manually as a business owner, so you need a solution that can handle the work for you. That's where Moosend comes in. Moosend makes it quick and simple to set up automation workflows. Once you've set up your campaign by choosing the templates you want to use, you can use a flow builder to decide which triggers and sequences you want to include. For instance, when someone submits a form, you can get the service to wait for a certain length of time, then send a reminder to their email. Moosend also provides free plan that offers up to 1,000 subscribers. The free version of Moosend is a lot more generous than what you'll get from other companies. So start your free plan today, link will be in description. This was our today's list. Did you enjoyed it? And find it helpful? If yes, then don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. We will try our best to bring amazing content like this. See you all in the next video. Till then, stay safe and have fun.